How to get YouTube subscription. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can get your YouTube's subscription. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's begin. So if you want to get a YouTube subscription, all you first have to do is locate your YouTube, open it up on your web browser. You can simply head over to youtube.com and then log in into your account. After you do that, tap on your profile icon on the top right. There you will see the profile icon, tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll find multiple options. The one that you'll need to choose is purchases and memberships. So tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll find the premium option right here. Tap on learn more and you'll be prompted to this page. So there you can see you can get YouTube Premium. You can see how much it costs. You can see the first month for trial is $0 and then $3.49 per month. So you can also save by if you are going to get a family or the student plan. And you can see what type of features they give. So they can see unlimited ad-free videos and many more. So now all you have to do is tap on try month for $0 for now. And from here, choose your package. After you choose your package, tap on try 1 month. Let's just select individual. And after you tap on try 1 month, it will take you to another page where you will then need to enter up your payment details. So here you can choose card payment. Then you can tap on buy. And then the final step here is filling out your card details. Then you can save the card and then start with the payment. And then you'll have you will get your YouTube Premium subscription. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.